year. Somebody sees him, they're gonna plug him this year.
Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So we went for a hunt in this field, actually several sets of fields that were all combined, got the corn out of them. And so there's basically just free corn already down on the ground laying everywhere. And we actually get 4 pigs out of this field. I've got one other pig I'm not going to show on this one because I got a different video coming for a topic with that one. But I'm going to just run through, let y'all see these first 2 pigs we got, and then I got something I want to talk to you about on the last pig that we get here. So y'all enjoy this video. I'll catch up with you here in a second.
He's squirting blood out of his neck.
All right, so this pig here, see, we got this cotton field off to the left and a harvested cornfield on the right.
Oh, I see him.
Now he's in a different view. I don't have a whole lot more imaging of him from the transition between here and there. But that cotton field on the left, he disappeared off into it. He didn't really get spooked. He just decided, I'm going to go over here. Well, we just waited at the end of that field for about 5 minutes, and then he came back out. So, guys, my tip of the week, wait him out. If he ain't pushed, he'll probably come out and get shots. All right, guys, that's it. Hope it was helpful. Y'all be awesome. Bye.